Is sun really yellow in color? Or if it would have been, then Earth would have looked like this. Then why all the plants are green in color? Shouldn't it be yellow in color? Then why rainbow shows seven different color altogether? Why all the oceans and sky is blue in color? In fact, why sky is reddish in color in the evening? Yes, sun is white in color. Now, sun gives out white light which strikes small particles which are there in the atmosphere. Whose atmosphere? Earth atmosphere. So, because of this, it shows different color at different times. Now, you can ask why moon is white then? Yes, that's true. You can ask why moon is white in color with some dark patches. Yes, with some dark patches. Now, white light from the sun strikes these particles, but moon doesn't have any atmosphere to hold these kind of particles, because of which you see the same light which has come from the sun and it strikes the surface of the moon and gives it color as a white. Guru of physics comes in and says that he can prove these white light have all the colors in it. It means all the colors are mixed together to form a white light. Now imagine Albert Einstein takes a glass pyramid or a glass prism. Imagine having glass prism in hands of Albert Einstein, and he says that if I throw out single light onto one side of a prism, to the other side it will take out all the seven different colors which can be observed by a human brain or a human eye. Now, what are these seven colors? Popularly known as Vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. If this is the case, what happens with the rainbow? Now, as Albert Einstein discussed, a white light strikes the glass prism or a pyramid shaped object. Now, whenever there is a rainfall, or even after that, when sun comes out, it strikes these glass pyramid. Now, here there is no glass pyramid, but there is something known as water droplet. So, this glass pyramid acts as a water droplet, or water droplet acts as a glass pyramid or a glass prism. These white light strike these water droplets and gives out, which is popularly known as Indradhanush or rainbow, or seven different colors, which only these colors are observed by human eye. Only seven colors. What happens with the sky? Actually, when the sky is blue, the particles in the atmosphere is very light during the day. So when the white light from the sun strikes these particles, it gives out different colors. But which colors? Yes, to the top ones, that is VIB, violet, indigo, and blue. but our human eye can detect blue in the best manner. That's why during the daytime you see the sky as blue and the ocean as blue. Now, what happens with the evening time? Now, during the evening time, these particles become heavier. So, when white light strikes, all the colors below the vapour, that is yellow, orange, red, we call it as wavelengths, different wavelengths. Now, in this, red can be observed best way by a human eye. That's why in the evening we see it as reddish yellow for the sky. So my point on making this video is that whatever color you see in our nature is not real. It's not at all real, because nature has its own style of showing you off. So nature is an illusion artist. This is Kurup sir. Do like my channel, share it for more interesting videos of this sort. I'll be leaving you with a question. Is black really a color?